Hi guys, and in this video I'm going to be showing you my brand new tripod from Joby. So out the box what you get this tripod here, which is made out of plastic. What I like about it is that it's very flexible, so the legs can be bent to be stuck on any surface, whether you want a tree branch, whether you just want it to go off a door handle, depending on the camera weight. You can do it. This is the Gorillapod SLR Zoom, which takes cameras and takes a weight off up to 3 kg. So I used the A7, Sony A7, and with a Rode Video Micro, which I'm using now to record, and the total weight is under 3 kg, so that can take it fun. So if you're into selfies, or if you just want to put it on something and shoot a video or time lapse or whatever you want to do, it can take the weight. What people do say is that the balls on it tend to break away, or it tends to lose its strength. As with anything with use, it will wear and tear. But the main thing is, I think if you use it right and if you adjust it right, you should be just fine. Another thing I like about it is that it comes with this 3/8 thread. So originally the 3/8 thread was what it came with, and it obviously works also with a 1/4 inch thread. So depending on what type of camera or depending on what type of device you're going to mount to it, it will determine what sort of thread size you need. Also, you could get a head on top of this depending on what type of device you want to use. You can get one of those ball heads that allow you to rotate them 360, and it's got that little leveling device in it, so that is entirely up to you. So my aims for this are probably when I'm doing short little interviews, rather than using a tripod, I can just carry this around, stick it on a table and go from there. If I'm doing a time lapse, I'm also going to get an adapter for my GoPro so I can use that. And like I said, it is very portable, very important. Half the time you don't need a tripod, you can just use one of these, find somewhere where it gives you enough height, or if not, attach it to a door handle and just shoot away. So yeah, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get this from. I got mine from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description where you can get it from, along with all the other items that I use. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you soon.